Hi, I'm Billy Bess. I'm from Jackson, Missouri. Today we are at World of Wheels in Chicago, Illinois, and we have two beautiful bikes here. They're both baggers. They're custom baggers. They were built by Garret Livingston of Garret Customs in the Cape Girardeau area of Missouri. These bikes are unique in the fact that they have been completely chopped and then reconstructed and put back together. If you get a Garret Custom, each bike is unique unto itself. And paint, custom exhaust, custom handlebars, and the engines are all completely gone through and then put back together and representing high horsepower engines. These two bikes are what you would call radical customs because of the high horsepower output. If you want a bike and you want a really nice bagger bike, you need to contact Garret Livingston at Garret's Customs in Missouri. He will be able to sit down with you and work out a plan that meets your budget. Not everybody wants a high horsepower bike, but they like to have a nice bike that's presentable, maybe with a nice custom paint job, and or they might want something a little bit different than the other guy has. Garret can meet those needs for you, and I am glad to be associated. One of the bikes that's here today is a bike that I commissioned Garret to build for me. It's called Goldfinger. It is 165 horsepower, 121 pound-feet of torque. It has a 30-inch front wheel and tire. It has a beautiful gold paint job that actually has paint that has ground gold in it. It has gold leaf. The paint itself is $2,500 a gallon. It has a custom suspension system, which is air ride both front and rear. And I think that if you buy a Garret Custom, you will be a very satisfied customer, as I am. I can tell you this, I've ridden the bike, and the bike is really wonderful. It's comfortable. Many people, when they see these bikes, sometimes they're a little intimidated. Do not be intimidated because of the air ride suspension. They ride very smooth, they're very comfortable, and Garret can get the bike to fit your size. He's just that good. He got his start by building top comp NHRA drag racing chassis. His chassis have won world championships, and so when you get a Garret Livingston Custom from Garret Customs, you're getting a finely built machine.